Hello guys, welcome back to our channel IELTS Winner. Hope you are doing fine and having a happy Sunday. So today I'm going to give you a complete review of 10th July 2021. Okay, so this exam was a moderate level and this is for both morning as well as evening, listening, reading, writing and speaking. Okay, it's for academic as well as general, and not only from India but from my international students. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe so that you get the latest reviews and everything. So I'm going to show you the sample answers of the questions as well for all the slots and task 1, task 2 as well. And as far as listening and reading answers are concerned, they are from the students. So it is not sure that whether it will be 100% correct or not. Okay, but most of them, according to them, is correct. And once the real answers are out or passages are out, we'll know whether it is correct or not. So it's just that the numbers may vary, one or two upside and down. So the answers were somewhat like this, what they remember. So it's not 100% sure. And once again, our predictions went true. As we said, you can go and check in the 10th July, our IELTS exam predictions, that we said general will get formal letter, and the same thing came. It was a formal letter. For writing, agree, disagree. For academic, it was right. We got agree, disagree. Some places, that is outside India, the question was about problem and cause and solution. Okay. And then the listening was easy. As said, the reading was moderate as expected. The task 1, as we said, it was table. So one got table and another one was line. I think morning was line. So let's start with the morning slot, listening. So these were the answer for a listening morning slot. Okay, this is for general and academic. I think most of my students were academic. So this was for mostly academic. I think general also got the same thing. So these were the answers for listening morning slot. First one was a mobile number. Second, maple, farm, diseases, bus, 24 October or 24th October. Both is correct. Cleaning, shop, feeding, medium. Then C, B, B, A, B, A, C, A, C, B, 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 C, 24th, he didn't know. Then G, C, D, A, H. Next was clips. Some student had doubt whether it is clips, C-L-I-P, clips. But majority of my students said that it was about cliffs. Okay, so that's why I have written cliffs. But some students also said clip. So it's, I think the way you heard it was different. Next is industrial, then transport, then 40%, winter, ruler, Scotland, candle, lock, accidents, and water. It may be possible that there are some mistakes in singular or plural. So some people said candles, some people say candles. So unless the listening is out, we'll not be sure. But this is what answers looked like. So this was for morning slot. For the evening slot, it was again easy. Okay, as said, it's not 100% accurate, but the answers were like this. The first one was a phone number. Second, husband, 40, 8 a.m., square. Some also said round. So some students have written number 6 as a round shape and some have written square shape. Silver, heater, large, ice, C, B, B, A, B, A, B, C, B, A, D, F, C, E, A, C, 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 and B. And then one word answers: rabbit, star, screen, sequence, gender, imitation. Some student wrote irrigation, but majority of them said it was imitation. language, swim, hospitals, and academic. So all in all, listening everywhere, even internationally, and Indian students had easy one, and these were some of the answers from India. Okay, so as said, it was easy. Next is task 1. Let's move on to writing. Morning slot. Okay, in India, the morning slot for academic task 1 was a line chart. Okay, this was the line chart about the whole grain and wheat. Okay, so this was the chart below shows the price in euros of bread of 4 types in European country for 2001 to 2006. This is the sample answer that has been written. Okay, so the presented straight line graph illustrates the price of bread. This is the intro line. And then overall glance, at a brief glance, it is clear that while the price of brown, white, and rye bread hiked consistently, the price of whole grain bread witnessed a wild dip over the period shown. So you should have used good vocabularies for increase and decrease. Witnessed a wild dip, increased, hiked consistently, then other is increased significantly, reaching a peak, okay, slight decline. So these are the vocabularies that you must have used for your answer. So use increase instead of increase and decrease, hiked, surged, dip, took a nosedive. All these kind of words can be used for describing this one. You can get the PDF of these answers and questions on our Telegram channel or website. The link will be provided in the description box. Okay. Then task 2 in the morning slot was some school leavers tend to go traveling or work for a period of time before going to university. Advantages and disadvantages of this trend. So you had to say what are the advantages and disadvantages of the gap year between going to school, between going to university after completing school. So in BP1, you had to talk about the advantages. In BP2, you had to talk about disadvantages. In intro, you did not give any, okay, you do not have to give opinion that which is more or which is less. So in intro and conclusion, you should not have mentioned it because it says discuss the advantages and disadvantages. So you will just say this essay is to outline the predominant points for and against this trend with justifications. So no opinion should be given, just that this is for advantages and disadvantages. So my first paragraph is about the advantages, like good communication skill and experience. My disadvantages, body paragraph 2, disadvantages is about that gap years makes them lazy to read or learn. Okay, it affects them. Again, in conclusion, you need not give any opinion. You just have to say that overall both are there. Okay, so this was morning. The question task 1 was line and task 2 was about advantage, disadvantage. In evening slot in India, it was a table chart. This was the chart. The table below gives information about the situation of marriage and age from 1960 to 2000 in Australia. Okay, so this was the table. It was quite easy. Okay, there were religion marriage, civil marriage, then bride and groom. So you can take BP1 as the marriage and BP2 for the age, or you can talk about male and female or year. So accordingly, you can distribute your answers into 2 to 3 paragraphs. So first the intro line, then overall paragraph saying which is highest, which is lowest. Okay, so civil marriage grew more in popularity, and age kept aggregating, means it kept increasing. Then in BP1, I have taken the year 1960 and 1970. And then in BP2, I have taken the age. Okay, so BP1 is about civil and religious marriage, and BP2 is about the age of bride and bridegroom. Then task two was about agree, disagree as expected. The best way to protect environment is using local resources like food and building materials rather than transporting resources from other places. So the question was basically about import and export. So the best way to protect environment is to avoid import. Okay, so do you agree or not? So you had to write, take one clear side. It's better to take one clear side and go ahead. So I have taken a clear side, that I accord, that means I agree to this, and I think that local produce and materials should be used. And my essay discusses the same thing. Okay, so I have clearly said my side. You should clearly mention your clear side in introduction, that I vehemently accord with this statement. Okay, and then my BP1 has 2 points, and then BP2 will have 1 point. So I have said that it helps in it helps the natural habitat as well as the land, local land. That is when the agriculture is done, the land is green, and thus the farm animals or the wild animals have a clean, clear wild area to live in, and this also improves the rain. So environment is also. And then in BP2 as well, I have said that it helps in local area. So according to the area, so if it is cold, the house will be saved like that. If it is hot, the natural products will give a boost to living conditions. And thus the environment will also be helpful, because everything will be according with the protection methods of environment. And again, in conclusion, I will say the same thing, that I completely agree. So this was about task 1 and task 2 of evening slot, academic. Now moving to general morning slot. Task 2 was people prefer their own vehicles instead of public transport. What are the causes and what can be done to encourage them to use public transport? So it was cause and solution type of essay. Okay, so it was that people are using their vehicles more. So what are the causes of this and how it can be avoided? So my intro says that there are many things, and this will discuss the reasons and some measures. So why it is? Because of comfortable life. The people have become very addicted to living a comfortable life, and then also to show off, and then to save time, they use their private transport. Then I have given a measure, that there are certain countermeasures, like the government can increase the quality of public transport, like AC, good seats and all, and also reduce the price. This will help. Or they can do increase the or hike the price of petrol and diesel, so people will be forced to avoid using public transport because of financial issues. So these are some measures that can be given. Then general task 1 for Indian general and from Kuwait. One of my students from Kuwait and general students from India had this task 1, that is formal letter. As we said, it was a formal letter to a company who is trying to build, they said that it was built from empty lands. Okay, so they were going to build housing. A company is going to build housing in an empty land. So you had to write a letter to the company about this, your opinion about these things. So it was a formal letter. So your greeting will be dear sir or madam, because you don't know. And then you will write the purpose paragraph, that why you are writing this. And then you will tell what is the issue. Okay. So there is an empty land and it was used for something and something, but now they are going to break it, clean it, and make the housing apartments. So what it is used for? So it is used as a park, is a cricket ground, or as a walking area. And if it is changed into housing, then it will not only affect the environment, but also day-to-day relaxation time of people. And the last paragraph will say what they can do. Instead of building apartments here, they can build a park there to help the society. And also they can build the housing in some other area provided in far from such living areas. And then you will close by saying yours sincerely and your name. So it is a formal letter, so you had to use formal phrases a lot. Task 2 for the Kuwait student was people nowadays do not exercise. What are the reasons and what can be done? So it was that people do not exercise. So what are the causes and what are the solutions for this? So it was a cause and solution essay from Kuwait. And this is the answer. So what is the reason that people don't do exercise? Because they do not have time. They are working a lot, traveling a lot, so they are tired and they do not do it. And when they have time, they are so exhausted or run down that they don't have the energy to do anything. So these are the causes to avoid exercise. So what can be the solution? The solution can be that they have reduced working hours so that they have enough time, energy left to do some of the exercises in their house. Also, instead of being couch potato, instead of just sitting in front of TV or something, they can be motivated to do anything in home or outside, like walking, jogging, etc. So all these answers you can get on our website or Telegram, which link will be provided in the description box. So do not worry if you're not catching anything, okay, or else the video will become too lengthy. Then from Uzbekistan and Oman, the task 2 was some people think that books should be stopped in school and that video, films, and computers should be used instead. So instead of using books, schools should use videos, films, and computers to teach. So do you agree or not? So I am going to say that I do not agree. I have taken a clear side that I do not agree. And the same thing will be discussed in my both paragraphs, that why it should not be agreed. Okay. Then the task 1 from Oman and Uzbekistan was a table, which was about how much money a single person and a couple in Australia need for a comfortable lifestyle. So this is the sample answer for that. This was for writing. Now moving on to speaking. Speaking, from one of my students from Kuwait got a part 1, methods of studying. So online, offline learning, books or computer learning, all those kind of things, and barbecue. So do you like barbecue? When was the last time you ate barbecue? Almost everything from Makkar. Then part 2 was a time when you helped your friend. And part 3 was related to helping the community and about friendship. From Oman, part 2 was describe a promise you made to someone. Okay, it can be anyone to whom you made a promise. And part 3 was about legal contracts and obligations. Okay, so why legal contracts are made, should the bonds be fulfilled, and all those kind of things. From Australia, part 2 question was a country where you want to live in future. So you had to use futuristic tenses and talk about a city where you want to live in your coming years. And part 3 was about cities, living in cities. Is it good? Is it bad? What are the advantages and disadvantages? What's the difference between cities and rural areas and opportunities and all those things. From India and Dubai, the part 2 question was an environmental protection law you want for your country. Okay, so environmental protection law you want for your country. So something that you want, you have not got that law, but you want it to come, like banning plastic or banning smoking, something like that. So the law which is not there, but you want to get it. And part 3 was related to law and protection of environment. From Pakistan, 4 cue cards were given by the student, and it is like all of them got different. The first one was describe your favorite weather. Second one was a journey you took but didn't like. So you took a journey but you didn't like. Third one was describe a childhood toy. And fourth one was a thing you bought and felt happy about it. So it can be anything, equipment or a dress or a fruit or a vegetable, anything that you bought and you were happy about. So these were the cue cards and part 3 questions that were from various parts of the countries. Next is a reading. So reading morning slot, passage 1 was called Chocolate of Masses. Passage 2 was called Old and Strange Currency. And passage 3 was called Songs of Ourselves. Unique names, I must say. These were the answers. True, false, true, not given, true. The answers again are not in order and may be not correct, because whatever the children wrote, that only we can tell for now. So it's just for reference. Machinery, farm, mayor, railroads, nutritionist, almonds, exhibition. D, B, A, C, D, B, D, A, J, K, 24th is not known. H, L, then it was match heading. 2, 1, 4, 6, 3. G, B, C, D, C, A, C, B, C. So the level of morning reading was moderate. For evening slot, it was again true, false first. So false, not given, false, true, true, false. Then waterlogged, cyclone, farming, logging, animals, maps, book, G, I, A, D, B, analysis, working environment, salary, working, 23 is not known, not given, false, not given, D, D, A, B, 31st is not known, not given, no, not given, yes, no. So it was yes, no, not given. So this is the complete review of the morning and evening slot of 10th July around the globe, not only from India, but Uzbekistan, Oman, Pakistan, and Kuwait, wherever my students came from. Okay, so you can just go through it to know what level it was and how we can prepare accordingly, what ideas we can get through it. Okay. I will give the PDF in my Telegram channel as well as on our website. So you can just go through it and prepare accordingly. Do like the video if you think that it was helpful, because I have collected everything and taken time to write your essays for you to help. So do like and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day. Bye-bye.